Hello viewer, welcome back to our channel Tech Smart Base. Now I am reviewing the Samsung Galaxy Note 11. So this video will be very interesting. Please watch a complete video. If you are interested about tech videos, so please press the subscribe button and click the bell icon for latest update. So without wasting any more time, go for it. The Samsung Galaxy Note 11 operating system Android 9.0 by the Samsung Galaxy Note 11 of display size 6.4 inch, resolution 1080 by 2280 pixel, dynamic AMOLED Corning Gorilla Glass watch hole display. The Samsung Galaxy Note 11 of camera, main camera, triple 13MP, 30MP and the 16MP, LED flash, digital zoom, auto flash, touch to focus, front camera, single camera 12MP. The Samsung Galaxy Note 11 of battery, capacity 4100 mAh, LiON fast charging. Sensor, one screen, light sensor, proximity sensor, accelerometer sensor, compass, gyroscope. The Samsung Galaxy Note 11 app connectivity, dual SIMs, USB Type-C, Wi-Fi 802.11, mobile hotspot, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS with a GPS, loudspeaker 3.5mm headphone jack. The Samsung Galaxy Note 11 of memory, RAM 8GB, internal storage capacity 256GB, micro SD card up to 1 TB.